Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're having a great Friday night. I am coming to you tonight to show you what I made using the catalog pages and the junk mails and the leftover papers that I have in my recycling bin. My video yesterday showed you how I used the pages from catalogs and also some junk that I like to use when I make journals. And so these are some pages that I folded, and these pages make wonderful base for a junk journal. So now I have this one signature journal for myself out of these pages. And I still have all these pages to make another signature or to make another journal. I am going to show you this one signature journal, which is still a work in progress. And it has a temporary binding. I just put my name there. That's a sticker. And yes, Nay is my nickname. The cover is from a wallpaper sample that Aisha of Young's Paper Creations gifted me. It's very pretty, and I just stitched around the edges. And I use the seam binding. It's very pretty. The inside pages are not embellished, and there's really nothing yet there except I matted the pages from catalogs with the leftover paper that I have in my stash and in my recycling bin. This is going to be my inspiration journal, and I will embellish as I go. So let's take a look inside. Again, the binding is loose and temporary. This is the middle, and I can pull out any page or even add anything in this journal. It's very easy, but it's nice that they are put together. I do not have to worry about losing a page. Cover also is not decorated. I only have my nickname there, and I use a sticker. And the seam binding is hand dyed. And then inside, again, no embellishment. This is really just for writing, and I will decorate as I go. And I used beige and neutral colors. This is another wallpaper sample from Aisha of Young's Paper Creation. And then little pieces of paper from previous projects and leftover paper. So it's nice to be able to use them here. And so these pages are ready to be journaled. And oh, this is another envelope. And let me just make a punch here. This is a pocket. Another pocket here. And two pockets here. This is another wallpaper sheet and two envelopes here. You can still see the catalog page. Beautiful. This is the same as the cover, the wallpaper sheet from Aisha. And I believe this is another pocket. Yep. And we have more pockets here. So one, and there's a side pocket, top pocket there, and another one. We have more. And this is another envelope. I'm gonna punch on the one side. Okay. Empty. And so there it is. So this will be one signature of a journal, and I am going to just keep making signatures so I can make a full journal, maybe 4 signatures, because I still have so many paper, like look at this, that I can use as base. So that is what I have done so far with all this junk. It's a great way to use up leftover papers, and it's a very relaxing activity. I like doing this. Okay, so now I am going to show you some goodies that I will be listing in my Etsy shop this weekend, and I am going to start with this resin, and they are pretty. These are charms that can be added to keychains and necklaces and bracelets. I use them all the time. Every time I get custom orders, I include one of these charms. Look how pretty the colors are. Gorgeous. And they come in different colors. And they come in different sizes too. Now, these are not my make. I got this from DH Gate, I believe, a couple of years ago. And I have been using this every time I make keychains and necklaces. But now I am ready to part with them. So yes, they will be listed this weekend. I really love this beautiful work. So pretty, right? Okay, next are these lace and appliques. Look at this. I know Ayesha of Young's Paper Creations would like some of the laces and appliques, so I am going to send her some of these too. I like buying them and hoarding them. And then I have all these stickers, these heart thank you stickers. I believe these are listed already in my shop, but this one is not yet. And it says handmade with love. And I believe I have 10 rolls. And all these pins, safety pins. These are great to use when you are making beaded accessories. And these vintage envelopes, they're not really vintage, they are made of wax paper, but they look vintage. And lastly, I'm going to list these doilies. I believe I have more than 100 of this just sitting, hiding in my stash. So yes, I have to part with them also. Alright, so these are some goodies that will be in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, just click the link that I will provide in the description below. These are great to be used for your journals, for scrapbooks, and for your projects. There you go, everyone. That's all I have for you tonight. I hope that you are staying safe. Take care, stay crafty, stay happy and beautiful. Do not forget, on Sunday the 10th, we have the first installment of the Bright and Prosperous 2021. And there are 12 of us going to do a project share. And then my birthday challenge giveaway is also going on. The original deadline is February 20th, but I am probably going to extend it because I have some requests to extend it so that I can get the cards. Shipping is just crazy longer these days, so yes, I may extend it. I do not know yet until when. And then the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration is still open. There are only 3 of us who are interested in doing that, and I am hoping that I can get to 10 collaborators. But if there aren't any crafters interested, that's alright. I am still going to push through. I originally wanted the crafters to work with vintage items and give these items a second life. And then I had a couple of emails saying if they could join, if they could turn whatever materials or items they have and give these items a vintage look, if that would be okay. So I said yes. So if you are wanting to join us, and if you have items that are sitting in your home and can give this a vintage look, you are welcome to join if you would like. Just leave a comment on the Call for Collaborators video, which will be linked in the description below. So there you go, everyone. Thanks again for watching. I guess this is the second time I am saying bye. And I hope you stay safe. Take care. God bless you. I appreciate you all. Bye now. Till next time. Thanks again for watching.